Alright guys, so let's take those clips off. I don't know where they are. So it's kind of hard to see. Or maybe you have to actually unscrew things? I don't know. Maybe there's screws. Okay, I was not prepared for that. But let's see. Maybe they don't really want you to get the top off. So let's figure out where the battery is, which should be down here at least. Hopefully that'll be... Oh, that requires a screw too. Okay, so that part I do not like. I got... did not expect to need a screw to get to the battery. Usually the batteries will go on the top and you just remove the canopy or the shell of the vehicle. And in this case, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. Anyway, so, alright, I'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching.